So now you stay at Metro FM until you left the station. Did you resign or your contract was not renewed?
It was a case of 5 years. Eben Beats
Yes.
had reached its 20 plateau. The show, yeah, I knew his show. It grows, and then his show just reaches a point where it's like this.
Okay.
You know, so the show had reached a point where it was like this. You know, we had done maximum in terms of commercial value.
Yeah.
For that slot. You know, because obviously your commercial value in terms of what money you bring for the show, ihambisana hours.
Yeah. Sure.
And then numbers as well, listenership. We had got like a lot. So mina as being umuntu omusha nguzandile, there's always more. Yabo. Khumbula ukuthi ngangena ngumsakazi, angingenanga ukuthi ngu-DJ.
DJ, yes.
Kodwa now
Ngifuna
so
umoya
DJ.
manje.
Yes.
Inkinga yami ngifuna umoya. What does moya mean? One more time on radio.
Yeah.